Ano lang ginawa po siya, sir?
More on,
Kumusta kayo sir ngayon? Kumusta kayo ngayon?
Buti po. Buti naman.
may gusto po kayo sabihin sa publiko tungkol doon sa mga allegations
Wala
against
pa.
you? Mm.
Wala pa naman.
Mhm.
Ba't diling wala ka, sir?
How do you feel now, sir?
Kamusta po?
Ha?
Kamusta po, sir?
Okay lang po, okay lang.
Sir, will you stay in the country po until
Yeah.
the whole trial po, sir?
Yeah, of course.
Mm-mm.
I'll be here.
No plans to like visit your wife? in the
Well,
US?
I'm just waiting for yung schedule for the operation. That's why.
Is she better? Is she better sir? Your wife? Okay naman siya?
She's still undergoing medication kasi.
Mm-mm.
And she's supposed to be scheduled for a corneal transplant by the middle of February.
Sir, ano masasabi niyo dito sa plunder complaint against you?
I have to study it actually muna. I have to study it. I think it's something to do with the allocations for members of the Senate.
Sir, medyo mabigat po yung plunder no? Pero are you confident po na kaya niyo pong depensahan ito, sir?
I don't know. I have to study it very well.
Mhm.
Medyo mabigat nga kung plunder yung tinagano, but I have to study it very well.
Pero kung allegation po, meron po kayong
I have not
ibinulsa, meron po...
I have not looked into the details of the complaint actually. That's why siguro by this time, pagka natingnan namin lahat,
Any assurance to the public, sir? May gusto po kayong sabihin sa publiko?
well, we'll try to look into all these allegations that are being binabato, but certainly, I'm sure sasagot naman natin yan.
Wala po kayong binulsa, sir. Gusto niyo po sagutin yan?
Wala pa.
Malinis, sir. Pero itatawagin niyo pong sangkot kayo, sir?
Ano naman.
Thank you sir.